Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. But now let's get right in today's analysis, which is regarding none other than Pepe. We're going to be talking about what is happening with Pepe right now and where we could see the price going in the immediate short term. Of course, I'm bringing you guys daily updates for Pepe. If you guys are enjoying these, please consider liking and supporting this video. But now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the entire market right now, majority of the market right now is down and it's in red. You can see this for yourself. We are seeing manipulation occurring within the cryptocurrency market, which we will discuss today. We have seen something very interesting happen with Bitcoin, which has affected the entire market. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. As of now, as of August 2nd, to be exact, you can see the price of Pepe is currently sitting at 123. Down about 1.6% over the last 24 hours in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and ETH comparative. Looking at its market cap, still holding very strong above the $500 million mark, to be exact, $515 million. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $100 million. So what has changed compared to yesterday? Things were starting to look great. We saw a nice bounce from a very critical level of support. So what has changed right now compared to yesterday? That's the beauty of doing a daily analysis, because it kind of gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening in the shorter time frame. If we're looking at their Twitter, you guys can see this for yourself. We have seen something come out on the Twitter side. You can see they just posted one more tweet. Nothing too crazy going on as far as announcements are concerned, but let's take a look at this. The holder count once again is seeing a little bit of an uptick within its holder count. So new holders are coming despite the fact that the price is down right now. We're continuing to see holder count increasing, and this is something in my opinion that gets ignored a lot. Yes, everyone focuses on the price, but these are some indicators that we really need to be focusing on, because when there is less interest on a project and the accumulation is still happening, that shows what people are thinking long term. So as always, the one thing that I love about Pepe, and I continue to see a growth within the holder count, really speaks a lot for itself. And this is why I make that comparison with Pepe and Shiba Inu, because the early beginnings for Shiba Inu was exactly similar to Pepe. But obviously we will see what happens as time goes by. But now let's take a look at the price and see what is happening. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the bigger picture, some things have changed. So yesterday I discussed in my update that we did see this beautiful bounce for Pepe, which took the price all the way up to that 1.309 cents mark. And since then, once again, we are retesting that same level. We saw the price drop back down about 7.36%. So what again we're seeing right now is the weakness is coming back, and the reason as to why this is happening, because remember I've said Bitcoin correlation with Pepe is really, really strong, and there's a positive correlation. When there's a positive correlation, that means if Bitcoin were to go up, Pepe will go up. What we have seen in the past is when Bitcoin goes up, Pepe outperforms Bitcoin, but when Bitcoin drops, the opposite happens. So that's what we're seeing happening right now. You can see this for yourself. Let's go on the daily time frame so we can take a look at it from the daily time frame. So you can see this for yourself. Very interesting thing played out today. We saw Bitcoin hit $30,000 once again, first time since July 24. So it's been about a week since we have seen a 30k BTC, but since then, of course, we have seen Bitcoin retrace back down below to $29,000. So this is really showing us that manipulation really is occurring right now. Of course, just the past few days, we have hit the lowest volatility within the price of Bitcoin. But we're seeing whales really taking advantage of these massive shorts that are piling, because of course, after it retested this level of support, we saw a lot of shorts piling up. But guess what the whales have come and done? They pumped up the price of BTC, and obviously all those shorts that were piling up, they got liquidated. So we saw some massive shorts being liquidated, and this is why leverage trading is something I tell each and every one of my viewers to stay away from. I'm super against leverage trading. I cannot stress this enough. Now, because a lot of people will tell you, oh, if you were to come and make money in the bear market, you could still end up making a lot. Absolutely not. Yeah, sure, some people do get lucky, but 99% of the time, people end up losing money because manipulation is a real thing. So this is what's happening with BTC, and obviously, as discussed yesterday, we will see dominance picking up, and you can see this for yourself. Dominance went all the way up to 50.3% just last night. 50.3%, guys. What is this showing us? This is showing us uncertainty levels in BTC are there, and obviously that is affecting the entire crypto space, except a few coins here and there. But as I say that, look where the price of BTC is at right now, sitting at some critical levels of support. And if we were to lose the support line, it goes back to what I've said a few days ago. We could see Pepe fall down to this 105.6 cents mark. And in order for that to be retested, that would be a move of about 14%. And right now, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is we're seeing something similar happen as to what was happening around here. Now, you may be saying, what is that? Remember, around here, no one wanted to touch Pepe. Majority people did not want to touch Pepe. There were more and more negative comments coming in, and we're starting to see that fear once again be here right now. We're starting to see the similar fear. And remember, there's a famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy. Around this level, when things were pumping up like crazy, everyone was being greedy. Oh, Pepe is going to the moon. Pepe is gonna go absolutely insane. And now we're not seeing that type of pressure. Some people are saying Pepe is dead. So, usually when these things happen, we could see that the overall, fear is insanely there. Right now, it's a very, very, weird market what's happening right now because of Bitcoin, and dominance hasn't made up its mind as of now. As we can see, Bitcoin dominance just shot up to 50% just like that. But, obviously the Bitcoin correlation is affecting majority of the markets right now. So this is what I want you guys to keep in mind. Very critical levels of support. Hopefully we do see another bounce happening like we have seen over the past few days. If we do not see that bounce, then I could see that we will see Pepe retesting that 105.6 mark, and that is definitely on the table right now. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think right now? What is your strategy? Are you guys still picking up some Pepe? Where could you see the price of Pepe going at the end of the year? And one of the comments that I still get asked a lot is, will Coinbase still list Pepe? In my opinion, I still think there will be a listing. Maybe it might not happen this year, but next year, as the bull market starts heating up, I personally think if the community still keeps pushing, but at the same time the project itself needs to get engagement going, making some partnerships, bringing some excitement, if that all happens, I still think they will list Pepe on their exchange, because obviously it has been listed on a lot of other tier 1 exchanges, and Coinbase is just a different magnitude because it opens up a door to millions of new investors coming in that only trade on obviously Coinbase. So that is that beauty of Coinbase. That's why everyone wants that Coinbase listing and Binance listing. But let me know down below what you guys think. This is the daily update for you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.